Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home and right in our kitchen. I'm in my kitchen today and I'm going to be doing a cake decor. So let's come this cake. Let's do the decor together. Come with me. God bless you. Let's get started. We're going to be icing this cake together. The cake is already crumb coated, so I'm going to be icing this cake now, and I'm using my baby pink color. So this butter icing will be on my channel, so please do watch to get your perfect butter icing. So let's get started. So I'm just going to spread it out and be sure that you don't lift up the white crumb coat. That's why I use white, so that you will see that it's not lifted up. Just spread it evenly. So we're going to start at the side. So you check if you see any side that your white is glaring, just fold it, cover it up. So I'm going to be using the sharp edge to smoothen it. So I'm just pasting it there, and I'm just going to just getting the top in. Okay, then we clean the edges. So you should pump and push, pump and push, pump and push, pump and push. Okay, we're done. This is the cake. We're done with it. Wow. Thank you for staying with us till now. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. God bless you. Till we see you again.